How do I know if my seatbelt needs to be replaced or repaired? The most common one is after your vehicle was in an accident. Your seatbelt retractor will deploy, lock up, and some units will actually release, but the seatbelt retractor is still faulty. Another reason is because of difficulty retracting or extending. You might have the airbag or seatbelt warning light staying on, and this also requires replacement or repairing. Another reason for replacing or repairing your seatbelt is because of rust or corrosion. This might occur if your car is older or you live in different regions of the country where there's a lot of moisture in the air. You also might experience unusual sounds in your seatbelt, and that will also require you to replace or repair your belt. Stains, mold, and mildew will weaken the strains on the seatbelt webbing. Washing the webbing will not help. In these cases, the whole webbing or seatbelt needs to be replaced. Whatever your situation is, MyAirbags can help you. We are safe, licensed, affordable, and fast. So send your seatbelts in and we got you covered. All the parts are OEM and we assemble them right here in the United States of America. What to expect when you are repairing your seatbelts with MyAirbags? The process is safe, easy, and friendly. Just send in your seatbelts and within 24 hours, we'll send your seatbelt right back to you. We have amazing customer service and technical support to help you each step of the way. We'll get you back on the road in no time.